Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my February favourites video. If you are new to my channel and you've never seen any of these types of videos before, I basically do these every month towards the end usually, and it's just all about me talking about my favourite products of the month. So these aren't necessarily all brand new products that have just been released, they are just products that I have been absolutely obsessed with this month and I can't put down, and I just wanted to put them all together in a video and talk to you guys about them and let you know why I love them so much and why I think they are worth purchasing. And as always, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you like the idea of this video, and also remember to subscribe if you aren't already. I can't believe I'm literally doing my February favourites already. Like, I feel like January was like 5 years long and February just went. I'm just gonna get into it. I'm gonna talk about some skincare products first and just get them out of the way, and then we can get on to more makeup. So the first one is a face wash, and this is by Garnier and it's their Skin Active Nourishing Botanical. And the reason that I didn't put this in my January favourites is because I wanted to try it out properly, test out, because you know, you're applying it and you can see it physically straight away. With skincare products like a face wash, you're not going to see a difference straight away and you really have to test it properly, so that's why I didn't put it in last month's favourites. I'm obsessed. It just, I don't know what it is about it. I don't know if it's because it's made with loads of natural ingredients. It says on the front that specifically for dry to very dry skin, which I don't have very dry skin. I do have dry skin sometimes, but not all the time. So I didn't know if I was gonna love this so much, but it just cleans your skin so nicely, and I don't know what it is, it just smells really clean, and when you rinse it off, your face just, I don't know how else to explain it except the fact that it just feels so clean on the skin. Like I said, I've been trying this for 2 months and it's amazing. It works really nicely and I use this every night. I use my Biore one not every night because that's really deep clean and quite, it exfoliates the skin as well as just cleaning it, and I don't want to exfoliate every single night. This one I use every night, and I also use it in the morning as well because it's really soft and it's also refreshing for the skin, so I love this. Next product is something I was a bit skeptical about. I didn't know if it was actually going to work. I was pleasantly surprised. This is the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin for breakout prone skin, and it's a blemish fighting micellar water. I would use this after I've washed my face. Then when my skin is completely bare, I don't add anything on. This is literally the first thing that I will put on now. I'll just use a cotton pad like the face size ones, and I'll just kind of pump some onto it and then just apply this all over my face. I've been using this for about 2 months, but it's the same like I said about the face wash. I wanted to make sure that it worked properly and I wasn't just, you know, testing it a bit and just thought, it's okay, it can go in my favourites video. I want to test it properly to see if I do genuinely love it, and this has genuinely worked. I feel like it has helped my skin tend to break out that much. The only time that I really do is usually when it's my time of the month, so I know when that's going to be. Obviously, literally just not stopped using it. I've been using it every single night. It's now a part of my skincare routine. I will use it every night after I've washed my face, like I said, and I feel like it has genuinely helped my skin. It feels a lot clearer and I don't feel like I get much breakouts anymore. Obviously I still get the odd breakout, and you know, you can't really help that, especially when each time of the month you're gonna get breakouts. Like, it's natural. But it has definitely helped, because usually I used to get so many. Like, even if you look back in my videos, you'll see like in the odd video I will have like so many breakouts around my face. Like, no. It's really affordable. I think I got it off Beauty Bay, I want to say. But yeah, Yes To are a very affordable brand. So yeah, I like them. The skincare product that I'm going to talk about is this guy right here, and this is actually a serum. So this is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Cell Renewal Serum. So it's a restorative serum. Again, a bit skeptical about this because to be honest, I never believed in serums. I thought they were just, you know, made for brands to just make money and they don't really do anything. So I never tried serums. I never got any because I just thought they're pointless and, you know, who needs one? But I thought I would try one. So I got this one, and oh my god, this has changed my skincare game so much. But this is definitely one of the top favourites in this whole video today. I love this so much. So I know you might be thinking, age perfect? Mo, you're 19, what the hell? Use this is not anti-aging, but why use anti-aging things when you're already old and you have wrinkles? Like, it's not magic, it's not gonna make your wrinkles disappear. It's there to prevent it. So that's why you start young, okay? So I'll read it off the Superdrug website. So it's enriched with hyaluronic acid and golden micro reflectors. The concentrated golden serum has been specially formulated to stimulate surface skin cell renewal and also help to improve skin hydration. And it says the features of it are that it will improve your skin's radiance, and that's pretty much it. Everything it has said in that description is 100% correct. This has genuinely made my skin so much more radiant. I use this every night. So a thing with serums is that it's not going to magically work if you just use it once a week. You're not going to see a difference, nothing's going to change on your skin, and you're going to think that you've got a crap product when you're just not actually using it correctly. Every night I pump 2 big pumps on my face, and then it can cover my forehead, and it just covers everywhere so nicely. But it just really helps my skin. It feels a lot more plump. And again, like I said, I use this every night. I use it before I put my night cream on, but I'll still use the night cream as well. And it has genuinely helped my skin so much, because the other night, how I know is that the other night, and I've tested this a few nights as well, I will just take my makeup off. I use a mattifying micellar water as well. And so obviously your skin's not going to look glowy, it will be mattified. And even then, as soon as I use my makeup wipe and I use a mattifying micellar water, my skin looked like I had a highlighter on my face. It looked so radiant and so glowy. I was so happy. So then I tried that for a few more nights, and then I tried not putting a moisturiser on, with my skin completely bare, no moisturiser, no creams, no anything, no serum, and it was still so glowy. It wasn't oily, it wasn't greasy, it was just radiant, and that's literally the only word I can use to explain it. I love this so much. So yeah, well done L'Oreal. I'm going to just talk about something quite quickly and just get this out of the way, because I genuinely thought I had talked about this in a favourites video before, but I don't think I have. But this will come to no surprise to any of you who watch my videos regularly. It's the PUR Cosmetics highlighter palette. This has stayed on my desk for about 2 months now. I have gone in with this, you can't really tell, but it's like the palette is so messy because I use it all the time. This is just my go-to highlighting palette now. Just when I want to just highlight my face, I will literally just go to this. Oh, there's 5 shades. I actually use 5 out of the 6 shades in the palette, which I think is really good. The only one I don't use is this shade called Sunset, and that's just because it's a pink shade. But oh my god, it's so good. I think it's not too expensive, I don't think, but you get a fairly good pan size. They're obviously not eyeshadow size, they're highlight size. And you get 6 in here. I actually tried an ABH highlighting palette. I was gonna get one, but oh my god, I love this. I don't need one of them. Like, this is great. I'm really happy about this kind of month's favourites video, because I've actually found like 2 holy grail products for me, and that serum as well. So kind of 3 really staple holy grail products that I just love. So another product I've been loving is a Colourpop gloss, and this is one of their ultra glossy lips, and it is in the shade Moonchild, and this is a collab with Kathleen and Colourpop. This is from her collection that has recently-ish come out. So nice. It's just a nude pinky, but not too light of a nude, if that makes sense. Or it would be quite light because she is quite fair, but she's come out with one that can suit so many skin tones. It's not going to look like really pale on you. It's not going to wash you out if you have my skin tone or even a bit darker. It looks really nice. I use this kind of on a daily basis. Lips look really nice and hydrated, and it's so nice. I love it. The kind of third to last favourite of mine is actually a brush, and this is probably the best bronzer brush I've ever found in my entire life. Even though it's not actually for bronzer, it's by Autograph, and it's their blusher brush. That is kind of a weird angle where it's kind of domed, if that makes sense. So I don't know how to explain it. Normal round brush, and this is the Autograph one, so it's kind of at that slant, and it's a lot more slimmer, and then it fans out at the top, so you can really kind of, and it kind of goes like that. I really don't know how to explain this. Kind of slotting right into the cheekbones and really bronzing everything up. It kind of contours as well as bronzes. It's so soft. Autograph, I thought it was going to be more expensive than it was. I think it was around £8 for the brush, which I think is pretty good. You know, Morphe ones are probably around the same, if not more expensive, and I think the quality is just as good as Morphe. So I love this for bronzer. I haven't used another one since. And it's just really good. It's so soft, and I feel like it just really works the product in really well. It blends everything so nicely and so seamlessly, so I love this brush. So the final two products, which are definitely holy grails of mine now. So the first one is a primer, and it's by the brand Emani, and this is their Perfect 10 Primer Serum. So if you've watched any of my recent videos, I have used this a few times, I believe, and I did talk about it. It is a cruelty-free and vegan brand, and they're just all about kind of healthy skin. So this is a primer and a serum and a moisturizer and so many other things all in one, and I love using this as a face primer. And what I love about it is that it is just, it gets so tacky that your makeup just stays on for so long. And when I say tacky, I know that can throw some people off and you can think, ew, gross, don't want that on my face, but it's not like, I don't know if any of you remember that first impressions video I did like a few months back, and I had that e.l.f. primer that was literally like glue. It's not like that, like don't be alarmed, it's not as bad as that. That was just awful. This is a good tacky. This is that kind of tacky that just prolongs your makeup and genuinely does work, keeps it on. So I've literally been using this every single day. I still love my Becca, the First Light priming filter one. That is still kind of my holy grail, but as far as kind of prolonging makeup, this one is better in that sense. But that one does give a lot more of a radiance and a glow, so I do kind of love them both for different reasons, if that makes sense. And the final product is the one that I am looking forward to, and I just can't wait to film this video purely just because this product. If you follow me on Twitter, then you'll already know what it is, and I have... Did I talk about it in my TMI video? I can't remember, but I've been using this non-stop, and I have found the best bronzer in the world. This is the Elcie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade medium. Even the packaging on the front is like scratching off because I've used it so much, and oh my god. First of all, the packaging, so nice, I love it. Elcie is an American brand, I'm pretty sure, and it was only, I think it's only come to Beauty Bay like in the past few weeks or month. And as soon as it came on, I was like, I need to try something. So I was originally going on to buy their primer because I've heard really good things about that. But it was out of stock. I think I'm going to get it pretty soon because I still want to try it. But I thought I want to try, you know, something from Elcie, and bronzers are one of my favourite makeup products. So I decided to try it out. So I'd never heard anyone talk about their bronzers before. I didn't do any research. I was just like, okay, let's just try it. I'm so proud of myself for buying this. Okay. The most soft bronzer that I've ever used and that I ever own. I've got the Physicians Formula ones, are kind of my favourite bronzers other than this, but this has just completely taken over. I haven't even touched a different bronzer since I bought this, no joke. Apply it to your skin and it doesn't blend, then it's gonna look like a blob of poop on your face. Like, let's be real, that's what it's gonna look like. But this just blends out so nicely. It's so creamy. Even from swatching it, it feels like sand. It's so creamy. I can't deal, man. If there is one product out of all of my favourites this month I would highly recommend that you all go out and buy right now, this bronzer. I swear to you, you will not regret it. It's just so good, okay? Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my favourites video for this month. If you can tell, I'm a little bit excited about it. This is probably one of my favourites video that I've ever filmed because I just found some really good products this month and I'm really happy to talk about them. Always let me know if you have tried any of these products out, if you're going to try any of the products out, if I've persuaded you to get any of these. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!